Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see footer tag in HTML. So what is footer tag and why we have to use the footer tag in HTML, and why the footer tag is so important that in each and every website you will see footer tag. So in this video we are going to see the footer tag only, how to create footer tag, how to apply the CSS in footer tag. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. Footer tag is used to define the footer of a document or a section. So footer means the bottommost part of that web page. The footer tag element typically contains authorship information, copyright information, contact information, back to the top link, and related documents also. You can give the link of the important parts of your website. You can give the link of your social media handles. You can give your link of Gmail ID, and you can show the copyright information and each and everything in the footer text. Now as you can see and on the screen, that the basic HTML code is there, where inside a body I have defined the h2 element, h4 element, and p tag. So as we all know that footer tag will come at the bottommost part of that web page. So the bottommost part of the web page, we will start from here. So I will type a footer tag over here. Inside a footer tag, the first thing I am going to read is the p tag, and in p tag I will type author equals to Letsfindcourse, and after that I will give one more p tag. I have created one footer, and inside that I have written a p tag, two p tags, in which one p tag there is author Letsfindcourse, and there is another email letsfindcourse@gmail.com. so it will give you a basic information who is the author and our contact information. So when I save this code and when I run the tag.html and when I refresh this page, you can see author and email information at the bottommost part of the current web page. Okay, now we have to align that footers and make a footer responsive. So what we will do, we will try to apply some CSS part over here. So I have created a footer class over here. The first thing that we are going to give is the background color. Background color which we are going to give is f1 f1 f1. When I save this code, when I refresh this page, you can see a background color in the footer tag, and after that we will try to align that text into the center. Then so that I will type text align equals to center when I save this code, and when I refresh this page, you can see the text is aligned to the center. Now what will I do, I will give the padding, and padding I will give equals to 10 pixel. It will increase the size of the box. So when I save this and when I refresh, you can see the size of the box is increased because it will take a padding equals to 10 pixel. As a background color, it's gray and black. If you want to change the color, text color, for that we will use color equals to something like shine. When I save this code and when I refresh, you can see the change in the color, the shine color will be there. So I will give the color equals to black only, and it is best color for a gray background. So in this way you can apply the CSS part. You can create a footer. The footer will always come at the bottom of the any web page, and the footer will always remain same for the whole website. If you are creating multiple pages, if you are creating a single page, the footer will be same for all of that. And in footer we generally give the contact information, our email information. We'll give a short intro about our website, and you can give anything which information which is relevant to your website, and through that user can easily reach out to you. You can give your company address, you can give your company phone number, email address, everything you can give under the footer tag. It will be an easy for a user to communicate with you directly. So in this video, this is all about the footer tag. I have give you the basic example of footer tag and how to use the footer tag and where to use the footer tag in HTML page. If you want to learn more and you want to create a responsive footer, then you can explore over net. There are tons of There are tons of websites which will teach you how to create a responsive footer in HTML. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn HTML. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.